Supta Padangusthasana. These are supine positions where we are doing hip openings and also take care of the symmetry of the hips. Come to Pavanamuktasana. Slowly grab the inner and the outside edge of your feet. See that your sacrum remain evenly on the ground and slowly start to stretch your leg. See that you're activating the ball of the big toe and the heel, and there is power in the metatarsus. You can do a variation where you twist the femur to the side, and you're doing the stretch on the side as well. Other hands on the psoas muscle, and see that the sacrum remains equally grounded on the ground. And now let's see the modification. For modification, you use the belt on the ball of the feet and see that your shoulders remain relaxed all the time. Try to find symmetry in the asana. Both legs are active. If you want, you can do a variation where you engage in your core muscles and you bring your chin closer to your shin. I show you the modification on the side with the help of the belt as well. And now let's see a variation or a more advanced version. If you practice the previous asanas, then you can try the full split, where you try to bring one leg, the toes, to the ground. This is really a very strong split. You can do in standing as well. Then it's a variation, it's an advanced posture of Supta Padangusthasana. And if you are really advanced, then you can try to lift both legs, grab your big toe, and see that the sacrum is remaining on the ground, and slowly stretch both legs and try to mirror or touch the big toes to the ground. See that with your sacrum and with your buttocks are directed behind. And lastly, a very fun pose. When you come up in sitting, you do a sitting splits. The legs are strong, cores are engaged, and slowly with an exhalation you go back to lying, and after dynamically you come back in sitting.